Hey, what's going on, guys? Markel here, back with another video. So I went out yesterday with my GoPro here, the Hero 10 Black. And man, I gotta tell you guys, I'm just gonna keep it 100. If you have a current GoPro, it could be a 6, 7, 8, 9, and you don't have any problems with it, there's no reason to get this. None whatsoever. I got another one because my 8 freezes up and it causes problems that way. I got the media mod. I invested a lot into the 8, getting the media mod and all that stuff. But as far as the look, okay, 5.3K, 60 frames per second, there really is no difference. There's not. I'm going to show you guys some footage right here. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show you a couple of clips. Some of them are from this GoPro. Some of them are from my Hero 8. Some of them are from the Pocket. And when I'm looking at these, especially if you're looking at it on a phone, a tablet, some kind of 1080p screen, you're not going to be able to tell what's 5.3K, what's 4K 60, or what's 4K 30. I'm going to keep it 100. Look, these are just small incremental changes that GoPro is making. There is no huge difference here that you're going to really discern unless you got a 4K monitor and you're blowing it up 300, 500% to pixel peak. How many of you all are actually blowing up this footage to see, oh, is this really making a difference? Because the average consumer is watching this stuff in 1080p or 480p. So they don't give one damn what kind of foot, as long as it's clean, as long as it looks good, it'll work. So look, even though I caught this on sale for $329, is it worth it? Hell no. I'm just gonna keep it 100. Hell no. Man, look, I'm not buying another one until they go 8K. And I really got to see a difference in the footage even when it comes out. Because as I'm shooting this and I'm looking at it, and then I'm thinking to myself, wait a minute, this doesn't look much different than my 8. Where's the difference? There is none. There's really none when you're watching it on screens that are not 8K, that are not 4K, which the majority of the people watching these YouTube videos watch on their cell phone or their tablet. Very rarely people are going to blow this up on their 4K TV and see the difference from frame to frame. So quick video, guys. Look, these are nice because they're new. People hype them up. That's what those influencers' jobs are, to hype these up, to make everybody wants to get one. I'm here to tell you, man, if you got an older GoPro, keeping it 100. Just matter of fact, look at some of the other influencers that put these videos side by side. The 8, the 9, the 10. Take a piece of paper and blank out 8, 9, and 10 from the start of the video and see if you can pick out which one is what. I guarantee you can't. Because that's how similar they look. The GoPro look is a GoPro look. Just like any action camera, it's gonna look the same. All right, guys, well, that's it, man. Hopefully you guys gain something from this, but if your older GoPro is working fine, don't upgrade. Save yourself a few $100s, wait till they come out with an 8K version, and you may see a difference at that point. But until then, guys,